last 10 kilometers.
Bawal tumigil.
Bawal. See you at the finish line. Last 200 meters. Last 100 din. Finish strong. Go. 100 push. Push. Ayan na. Ayan na.
Sige, hintayin namin. Don't worry. Now, can you stand by here for your friend, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Wow. Sana all may friend na nagaya mo ang atin. Next one. 5 minutes. 5318.
Kasi
5318.
10 meters.
Thank you. Ganon, dapat mabilis. Taas ang kamay agad. Next one, 10K. 1-0. 0. 4. 1. 1-0. 0. 4. 1. 3. 2. 1. 1. Taas ang kamay, please.
Congrats po. Pakal na na po.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, 3K. 3271. 3271. Right, Megan, congratulations. Holler at us, please. 5007. Well done. Second place. Official time for